Hi, my name is KF. In this video, I'll show you how I am going to do an online presentation using a web page instead of a PowerPoint. This is the page I'm going to present. Let's scroll down. It's just like a normal web page. The only thing is it's structured in a way it is broken down into different paragraphs. The first one is an introduction. Starting from this second, I call it a paragraph. It is actually in two parts, one on the left, one on the right. The left is a picture. The right hand side is text. And the other paragraph looks the same but in alternate directions. So when I start the presentation, what I'll do is just click on one of the pictures. So at the bottom, you can see this one of 7. So there are a total of 7 pictures. I'm going to have only 5 minutes for this entire presentation, so it's going to be a short one. So I will only have like 7 slides. It's a pop-up screen that actually occupies the full screen. So if I press a button on the keyboard, the left and the right arrow, it will scroll through all the pictures like this. So there's a second one, third slide, fourth slide, fifth slide, sixth slide, seventh slide, and go back to the original one. So you can see there's no difference during the presentation compared with a PowerPoint, but with a different feeling. Or I can scroll down to the page, get any one of the picture, and click, and it blows up. In fact, it's more than that. After the presentation is over, I can just pass the link to the audience. They can come here and reference the presentation I've made. And scroll down to one of the paragraphs, like here. Here is a page, a paragraph talking about dial into Google Meet. On the left hand side is a text description, and below there actually is a little gray area, a small description. This is actually a link. If I click on the link, it will fly to another page, a web page or a video, and for the video I can tune it and start at the location that I want it to. So this is the way I can insert additional references to the slides. At the bottom, there is a file attachment. Here there is a PDF file that the audience can download. If they click onto it, it will blow up and pop up with the PDF page. Okay, and there's something more. So I go to another article, and I go to these tips for Zoom meetings. It's another web page about a video. The first part, the first paragraph is a description. And the video starts on the second paragraph. It's about the 7 tips on a Zoom meeting. So if I click on this picture, it pops up as a YouTube video. And I click on it, it will start playing.
It doesn't matter if you work remotely, if you work from home, or if you work from an office, chances are you are using video conferencing more and more often. So in today's
instead of using a picture, I can also use a video for presentation. So you can see there are actually some very flexible structure I can use for presentation. In fact, this can be used online or offline. By using a web page, there are additional benefits for the audiences. Okay, I hope I can bring you some new ideas of how presentations can be made. Thank you very much. Bye.